First, today we'll start with the topic. Already morning we discussed about the cloud computing. Okay, and already it is the information is there in your here. Okay, I will share that information to you. Okay, plus I will share this documents link to you now. Okay, yeah, I will share it now only. Just 1 second. Okay, so I share the document link. So if you want, I can download it as a PDF and I will forward it also. Or you can do it yourself. 1 second. Okay. So this is about Office 365 and I have some PPTs which is I prepared from Microsoft learning website only just to learn and try for an exam called MS 900. What is this MS 900? I'll tell you. Okay, Microsoft 365 certificate fundamentals. Like you, in case in future you want to become a certified Microsoft Office 365 to work on Office 365 administration, you need at least a basic certification, right? So for that one, this is. Of course, you can learn lot of things under it. Okay. So all these things, fundamentals, all these things you have to complete it. Finally, you have to take an exam. The cost of exam is around 4,000 to 5,000 plus GST. This is plus GST. Depends upon the country. Okay. So put a Google MS 900, you will get it. Okay. So first of all, what is Office 365? Office 365 or Microsoft 365. Initially, Microsoft launched this cloud-based service, Office service, which is cloud-based, is Office 365. The later they changed the name to Microsoft 365. It's a cloud-based service. It means software as a service. Software as a service it is. Morning we discuss infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, right? Office 365 or Microsoft 365 is a software as a service. It is a subscription model. Either you have to pay monthly or yearly. Of course, different subscription plans are there. So you can subscribe per month, 2 months, 5 months, 1 year, 2 years, like that. Okay. So you can pay monthly or yearly, you can pay. So how as much as you want to use it. For example, I need Office 365 for myself for a 1 year. I will pay for 1 year. Later, I will cancel the subscription. Netflix, Amazon Prime, like that. So monthly you can subscribe or yearly you can subscribe. Okay. If you don't pay, so you don't need to continue the services. Okay. So it's not like that you use or don't use, you should pay. It's not like that. Okay. Cancel anytime. What are the services? You go to this Office 365, you will get a Microsoft Office suite. What is meant by Office suite? It contains Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, plus other enterprise applications like Microsoft Teams, Exchange, SharePoint kind of stuff. The Office 365 application is a cloud-based application, as I said. You can access Office 365 apps through what we can say, you can use Office application. We can able to use this application through browser. For example, I want some work on my Excel. So this is a Excel sheet. I want to create a new Excel sheet. So I'm using entirely in my web browser. Okay. So whatever I will do, I will do it and save it and store it into my OneDrive. I can access this document from anytime, anywhere. I can do it. I can share to anyone in my organization. Okay. So, and also there is a thing like we can easily collaborate. I share the link. I can edit. Other person is also can able to see and edit it. So we can do the easy collaborations. I can access from my mobile phone also. Okay. So that's the point here. It is. I'm trying to do this. Okay. So what is Office? See, this is also Office 365. The word I am using here, it is somewhere it shows. This is also Microsoft 365. Okay. What I'm trying to say is both offline, online, mobile, and web access also available. You can access your Office applications from anywhere, anytime, any device you can able to access from your laptop, from your mobile phone, from your desktop. We can able to access. Always support is available. You face some issue with your Microsoft Office 365. Okay. So the continuous support is available. Okay. Always continuous updates are available. Any new feature is introduced, it update automatically. And you can use it on different type of operating systems like a mobile type like iOS, Android, like you can use an iPhones and as well as a Android mobile phones also you can use it. Windows operating system, we can use it, of course, and Mac OS means Apple laptops and desktops also we can able to use it. Even not only that, there is a web related, right? It is we can access through web means you can able to access from Linux based operating system, Unix based operating system if they have a built-in browser, GUI based built-in browser is there. Okay, so there from there also from browser you can able to access it. Okay. So I told about what is Office 365 feature, but how it is an important, what is it exactly? Guys, think like this. You have a system, or you have a desktop, for example. Inside your desktop, you are going to install a Office purpose, like you need a Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. So what you will do, you'll install a Microsoft Office. This is normal one-time purchase kind of stuff. No need to buy always. 2021, 2019, or 2016. Which one is current office is available? You go and purchase. This is a cost you pay for 1 year. No, no, not for 1 year. You pay one-time purchase. What is one-time purchase? You buy one time and you no need to pay it again monthly or yearly. No need to purchase. You pay and use it your system. Okay, in your system you are using. Simple, right? So every time whenever you purchase any product from Microsoft, it is a license. It is a license for one device. It means this license we can able to use it for this device only until unless the device is completely damaged, the hard disk, everything, something is damaged, like you are not able to use this device now. You purchase a new laptop and you can transfer this license, or you have to do the re-licensing with the Microsoft. I have purchased this product last year. I am now I changed my device, but you cannot use same license for multiple devices. So under your desktop, laptop, mobile phone, like that, you cannot use it. Okay. Next, we can use this Office for only in your Windows system, and Mac kind of stuff is also supporting. Mac OS means Apple computers also you can able to use it. Okay, you have to purchase separately. Either your system is Windows operating system or maybe Mac operating system. So you have to purchase according to it. Okay, so this is normal Office. What is the problems in here? What is the advantage of Office 365 using like this? Think like this. You are went to some place and you need your office. So you can use other computer, but Office is there, they may not be provided, right? Because it's license, your license cannot become. Okay. And your data is in the that system only. If an example you want to edit a file is in your system only. It's not in somewhere and it is located. Especially you have to store in a OneDrive, separate OneDrive or a Google Drive. You have to store it. Otherwise, simply it's in your system only. Okay. This is one point. Second, your office, you have a traveling device like a mobile phone or a laptop. You cannot access same office from here. You have to purchase separately. Mm, and you whenever you purchase with certain period of time for 90 days or 60 days, okay, there is a free support is there. But after that one, it is a paid support. So it means, for example, your office is not working properly and you need a support and you call to the Microsoft. After free support is completed, you have to pay. And that is also not for long time. After a few days, for example, after 2 3 years, okay, that paid service, paid support is also will be done. So even you pay also, you won't get a service. Next, updates. Next is updates. Okay, what is an update? The new features are came. New feature, for example, Microsoft Office 2024 is came, or 2025, 2024 is came. For example, new Office is came. It comes with certain features. That features you won't get it to your old Office. Again, you have to purchase new Office to get that features. Okay. Next, for example, you once you are purchase a Microsoft product, they'll do some updates for a limited period of time only. Product updates for 3 4 years. Okay, and security updates, critical updates for another 4 5 years extra. After that one, they don't give updates also. For example, I'm using 2013 Office. I'm may not be get any updates to that one. Okay, so 2010 is there, 2007 is there. These offices nowadays won't get any updates. It never updates. Even if it is update, it will force you to buy Office 365, a new kind of office. Okay, so in a new office is launched, you won't get those features. You have to, if you want it, you have to buy a new one. Another one is the updates are limited. So once product updates for a certain period of time, but later on days only security and critical updates. Later on that one also, you won't get any kind of updates to it. Okay, so these are the points in a normal office when you are purchase. a office, one-time purchase offices, you can install into one device only, and you are getting license for to use in one device. Okay, you can't use same office in other devices until unless you are moving from your device to other device. Okay, and it is runs on that VC only. It's from your mobile, from your browser, you cannot access it. So you have to use offline application only. No OneDrive kind of stuff. Okay. When a new few is launched, you won't get a that feature to your old application. Okay. That's it is saying it is offline and it is only desktop application. Laptop and desktops, we can use it. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, Publisher, OneNote kind of stuff is there. One PC or Mac, we can able to use it. One-time purchase means no need to pay a monthly and yearly. Happy one time we can able to purchase it. Limited time period for free and paid support. For a new features, you have to purchase new Office version. Updates for a limited period of time only. Okay. Okay, guys. Again, come back to the Office 365. What is the advantage of using Office 365? Just I'm talking about normal Office, not Office. Basic things. Microsoft 365, or you can say Office 365. What is the advantage of purchasing the Office 365? And there is a disadvantages also there. Here it is either you have to pay monthly or yearly. You have to pay monthly or yearly subscription it is. Okay. Monthly or yearly subscription. That is a disadvantage. So in our normal office, one time you purchase it. And Office 365 generally support 5 devices with one single license. We can use up to 5 devices like laptop, desktop, mobile phone, like that, tablet, we can use it. Office 365 works on different operating systems. So offline means Windows, Mac OSs, online, including support your different type of mobile platforms like iOS, Android kind of stuff. It support. Okay, and web access is there. So through web browser also you can able to access. It meaning is your operating system, maybe Windows or Mac, or maybe it is not your PC. Offline you can use it in your PC. For example, I went to some place and I am not able to carry my laptop. There I need to work on my Microsoft Office, Word or Excel. I want to do some immediate Excel kind of stuff. What I will do, I'll ask their desktop or laptop, open a web browser, log into my Microsoft Office. So there my Microsoft Office, I will go to Excel. I do all the Excel kind of stuff and then I will share the document. So it is very simple. Okay. And you will getting a here simple OneDrive. You can store the data into the OneDrive so you can able to access OneDrive data from anywhere, anytime. Because OneDrive is a personal cloud storage. And not only just a OneDrive, it is almost like a OneDrive, 1 terabyte of you are getting. Okay. 1 terabyte of OneDrive storage you are getting. If you are compare, it is almost double than your desktop laptop storage. Our laptops are 240 or 500 GB SSDs currently. Okay, my laptop is 500 SSD. So I'm getting OneDrive is higher. Okay, and other things is, as I said, continuous updates. A new version is upgraded, so some new features are introduced. I no need to worry. This is getting updated anyway. the new feature automatically integrated here. For example, Copilot feature is introduced, integrated Copilot. I will get Copilot automatically into my Office 365 applications. Okay, I no need to pay. I need to buy a new version. Okay, and it is a subscription model. It means as long as you use it, and yeah, tell me, is anybody asking question? Okay, so what are the other things? So you can access from different devices and anytime, anywhere, any device you can able to access it. So this is about Office 365 and difference between a regular Office which we are used earlier like a 2007, 2010 or 2013, 2016, 19 and 21. So we are using these offices into the systems. Okay, the difference between this and difference between this. Do you understand, guys? What is the difference between the regular Office you are installing into your desktop and regular Office 365? Hmm? Guys, understand what is Office 365 and what is the differ from um, normal Office, regular Office we are installing one time purchase Office.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. So here it is in Microsoft Office 365 or Office 365. So there is a three things. One is home type of editions, business and enterprise. Okay. Home is all about a individual user, not for organization. It is for a individual users only. It means I can purchase home edition, you can purchase home edition. Okay. So what is this? Under home and business, enterprise also, I will tell. Simple, you want to go for Office 365. Simply, this is a link. You can try open. So this is a comparison. Okay. If you see, this is home. This is business. You can paid yearly, paid monthly. So this is per month cost. This is yearly cost. For paid, you can monthly, but if you pay for year, monthly cost is like that. You pay year wise. This is the cost. Okay. We'll see this one, guys. This is the Office 365 personal. Personal means just I want an Office 365 for me purpose only.
Single
Okay.
user.
Single user kind of stuff. So how much I have to pay as per this cost? 4,899 only for one user. And what I'm getting? Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and there's security defender. OneDrive I'm getting, Outlook I'm getting, some editor and Clip Champ and OneNote. This Clip Champ is nothing but a video editor. It is introduced very newly. So this is called a streaming services. You know what I do? So after our class is completed, I download our recorded session. Okay. Then I will download it record session. I will put it in YouTube. But I want to edit this video. I can use this Clip Champ. It's a new feature is introduced into recently. Okay. You can sign into the 5 devices at once. You can use this Office in PCs, means Microsoft systems, Windows systems, Macs, phones, tablets. So at a time, five devices you can I can access through my laptop, I can access through web, I can access through my phone, I can access to my tablet also. I can take this class from my mobile using Microsoft Teams because it's same it is conducted. Okay. I don't do it because that's not easy. 1 terabyte of cloud storage you are getting. 1 terabyte of cloud storage you are getting. Apps with premium features and offline access also possible. Data and device security because Defender is there. Adds free, secure mail kind of stuff it is shown. Okay. Next, Office 365 or Microsoft 365 for a family. Generally we do what we do. We take a Netflix account. One friend purchase a Netflix account, others will share. So 200, 200, 200, 800. So all four members happily they can use it, right? This is the same concept, only little different. Okay. There, everybody should be in the same network. Here it is not like that. It is anybody can be. So the main person is purchase Office 365 family. It is shared to others through Microsoft email accounts. Okay, Microsoft email accounts. Same features they are getting, but the cost is 6,199 per year. 1 to 6 people can use it. 6 members, up to 6 members, neither. Up to 6 members, they can use it. So if you divide 6,199, you try to divide calci.
Approximately 1,000 each.
Yes, around 1,000 each. Of course, this is not only cost plus GST also there. Okay, okay, 1,033 point something means almost 1,034. Of course, we have to divide a GST also. Okay, GST is applicable. Okay, but 6 members only 1,000. It is one member paying 4,899. This is 6,000 members are paying. Sign into 5 devices. Each user can able to sign in into their 5 devices. Five up to 5 devices they can sign. They can use in different devices. 6 terabyte. It means 6 members, right? Each user is getting 1 terabyte of storage. 6 terabyte means each user is getting 1 terabyte of storage. And remaining is same only. So what is the difference between this and this? Here it is, you need at least 6 members, not at least maximum 6 members can able to use it. And here it is only one single person. And anybody, so without any organization also, you can purchase it. So that is home edition. Guys understand? Home, Office 365, home edition plans.
Yes.
Very good. So this is home edition. It means like a personal. Okay, what I have written, any individual person, personal, or you can say for family members, means
Consumer.
not for business purpose. What is this business? This is for organization. I have an organization. What are the organization require? Not only Office 365, means not only Word, Excel, PowerPoint, not only Office suite. We are getting other enterprise things also. Example, mail communications, exchange. Okay, so don't confuse this. It will become more time because again 4:30, Ravan sir want to take the class, so I have to finish by that one time. Okay, yeah, it is simple, guys. Here it is also 4 subscription models. You can able to see Office for a business purpose. If I take this model, so Office 365 business basics. So I am getting everything Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook plus some business requirement. What is this exchange? Exchange means enterprise mail communication. I can able to send a mail, right? Latif at the rate savantis.com. Okay. So like that, how we can get it? Madhusudan Reddy dot naru at the rate savantis.com. Sai Prasad at the rate savantis.com. Okay. So how we are getting? So simple it is because of mail servers. Exchange is Microsoft email server. Before going to this enterprise apps, guys, look at here. This is my organization. In my organization, lot of people are working. For every person need an account to log in. Centralized domain account is there. Okay, so we didn't discuss. Some of you not known what is Active Directory and domain part. No problem, guys. Okay, all these things, all users will authenticate centrally. So that is required. AD, Active Directory services are required. So they authenticate users. User has to. So what I have to do it, have to kept a server. Okay, have to put a one server for this Active Directory services called a domain controller. Domain controller is a server. Okay, for centralized authentication. So one server it is. Okay, of course, you know already. If you put a one server means what we need a backup server. Okay, compulsory another backup server is required. For example, this is one system. Now these people has to communicate through mail, right? So they have to communicate through mail. So what I need a mail server. For that one, I need an application called a Exchange application. Okay. So in the mail server, I install Exchange application. Then it is able, we can users can able to uh, send and receive mails. Okay, for the organization, not Gmail, email kind of stuff. Okay, like this. Next, of course, every mail, everything required a multiple servers for a load balancing and failover and storages also. And some of the people are doing a project. So they have to collaborate each other. They have to collaborate on a particular project. So they have to put a project required details into the share. So what we want to do is we need a SharePoint services. Okay, SharePoint server it is. Okay, of course, the installation application itself, it is a SharePoint. Okay, sometimes organizations has to be controlled what applications the users in the organization, employees in the organization should be, their application should be controlled and updated and deployed. So I need a service called Intune. Intune server is required. So again, in the morning we got a certain challenges, right? What are that one? So you have to maintain servers, infrastructures. Okay, you have to maintain server means that entire infrastructure, storage services, what is this network related, security related, these things you have to maintain. Okay, so it is become a big challenge. Now the solution came up with a simple solution is called Microsoft 365. What is this Microsoft 365? Either you can choose business or enterprise. You are getting not only these things, not only office suite like a Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, okay, Teams, okay, OneDrive. These are we are commonly getting, right? But you also getting the Teams here, Exchange without installing any place. So simply log into Office 365, configure your Exchange for your organization. SharePoint, Intunes, depends upon your subscription, guys. You are getting lot of services. Simple click, go to Office 365 and take the subscription. You are getting the services. For example, I'm taking basics. I started a company with a 50 members. So I need certain things like a Word, Excel, PowerPoint is required as well as mail communication, SharePoint is required. So I will take this basics. But there is a thing in a business basics, you don't get a desktop application. These applications, the Word, Excel, PowerPoint applications, are always works on your what we can say somewhere it is written. Yeah, it is changed. Yeah, mobile and web and mobile version of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook you are getting, not a desktop version. For example, in my desktop, I have a PowerPoint presentation. But in this subscription only you have to access through you have to access through web or a mobile application only. Okay. Remaining we will get it. Identity access user management up to 300 employees. Okay, we can use it. You will get your custom email account with your business kind of stuff. Web and mobile versions you are getting, not desktop versions. Chat, call, video conference with Microsoft Teams, and each employee is getting 1 terabytes of cloud space. Plus, there is certain 10 additional apps for your business needs, like a Microsoft Bookings, Planner, Forms, and others. Of course, you are getting a spam means Microsoft Defender kind of stuff also. Okay, same same thing. Business standard. See, the cost is increases per user per month. Like you have 50 users, 145 into 50, you have to pay per month. Next month, you are only having 40 users. You have to pay for 40 members. And next month, it becomes 60 members. You have to pay for 60 members. Okay. So, as per how many users are there? 770 user per month is a cost. It is the same as this basics only. Only thing is you are getting desktop versions also. You are getting web and you are getting mobile application and desktop versions also you are getting. And there is some new collaborative spaces also additionally added. Microsoft Business Premium. See, the subscriptions cost is increased. It means somewhere additional services are included. You can see here it is Microsoft Loop, Entra ID. Entra ID is nothing but a, what we can say Azure AD, identity services. Entra ID is identity services. Instead of Active Directory services for authenticating users in the domain, I can use Entra ID. Entra ID. Insurance, Microsoft Defender for Business, Azure Information Protection. I think for my organization, I don't require any Exchange or SharePoint or Intunes kind of stuff. What I will do it, I need a Microsoft Office, okay, and not require any other services. So I will take this apps for business. So what I'm getting desktop, mobile, and web version of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, 1 terabyte of storage space. You can access with any time, mobile and web support is also there. But if you see Exchange, SharePoint, Teams, those kind of stuff is not there. Only these five things only there. So that's the main difference between it. Guys, in my notes, I may miss some points here. I kept here, okay? I kept everything here, but there is a problem. What I said, it is the cost is changed, right? The cost is increased. This is the old one, okay? Some of the points may be added, okay? Maybe added. So better go to this link, verify, and update yourself. Okay, don't update me, update yourself. See, these are the different cost. I also noted a point that is Office for Home and Student 2001. The one-time purchase, the cost is 9,199. So we'll go to home. This is for home users, right? Search it, go to the bottom. Maybe you will find somewhere about this one. Yes, it is. This is for home purpose. The cost is not, yeah, here it is the cost. No, thanks. The cost is same, 9,199. One-time purchase for PC or Mac. See, you are not getting cloud storage. OneDrive, you are not getting. Multiple devices, you are not getting. Outlook, you are not getting. Online, ongoing technical support, you are not getting. Like that, there is a few things are missing. Access to support, extra support is there. And there's a limited. It is always a limited. You can see somewhere 60 days support without extra cost. After 60 days, you have to pay for support in case you are getting a problem with your Microsoft Office. Okay. So again, for a business, mainly the cost and certain features are different. So please check it each and every point and find out the differences. Each service information I given. What is the word? Document purpose, Excel spreadsheets purpose, PowerPoint presentation purpose. OneDrive is a personal storage. You can save your documents, pictures, and everything into OneDrive. You can access from anytime. Outlook is a mail client services. Microsoft Teams is so we are conducting classes, right? Meetings. So weekly meetings, monthly meetings. Okay, so we do chat, video, audio, sharing a screen. We can do with the Microsoft Teams. Publisher is different things. You can create different documents and you can publish. Axis is like a DBMS type. Okay. SharePoint, create a team site to share information, files, and resources. SharePoint is simple for a collaboration. I have a documents, and these documents should be accessed by everyone. So I will put it in one place so then people will access it. Okay, so I no need to worry about where I have to store, how to share, which place, sharing link. Like simply put a document and we can do it. And you can create your own sites here. Okay, so I think my news. Okay, you can create your own collaboration. kind of stuff. See, this is I am created. So cloud basics document I have created. It is useful for others to read and understand the things. DevOps notes I have created, desktop support kind of stuff here. I created kind of stuff. Few things I created here, and I republish or publish the document. You can see this is for my team upgradations or information purpose. Added these things. Okay, so this is SharePoint is for collaboration. Okay, in a project or maybe in the team or in a organization wise, you can do it. Exchange. If you need a mail support kind of stuff, you need a corporate mail accounts. What we need a Exchange server. You want to Exchange, then you have to take a server and install the Exchange into my Microsoft Windows servers. But here it is not required. It is directly log in and you can create the accounts for your organization employees. Azure information protections, insurance. These are for securing user applications and safeguarding user information. Okay, guys. So these are the mainly two things: home and for business. Guys, understand what is the purpose of business? Okay, depends upon which package you have taken, which subscription you have taken. So those features you are getting, including Exchange, SharePoint also. Okay, others also there. One second. One. Okay. Guys, are there? Someone send a message. Which tool you are going? We are gonna as in this in the service desk analyst. Which tool? It is MS 365. They will ask questions if you are trying to say about a interview. Okay. So what is the question is what is Office 365? Okay. What is Microsoft 365? Okay. And what Microsoft 365 Office 365? Okay. Difference between Microsoft 365 to some people say Outlook. Okay, someone is asking like what is the difference between Office 365 to Outlook? Their meaning is not Outlook, guys. Their meaning is so you have a operating system. Sorry, you have a Office inside your system. One time purchase is there, no? Office for home and student 2021. Okay, so this is the second possible question is there. So what is Office 365 or a Microsoft 365 and differences? Next, these are editions are there, no? Different editions are there. Mainly what is home edition, what is business edition, what is business edition. So like that. What is home edition, what is business editions. Okay. So if you understand apps kind of stuff, so we can tell, so these are the different applications we are getting, new applications we are getting. What about the Exchange, SharePoint, all those things you can add it later. Okay, very important is very basic level. What is Office 365? Okay, good. Yeah, something we miss that is called a Microsoft Enterprise, Office 365 Enterprise apps. Enterprise. This is for not a simple, it is lot of applications for enterprise purposes. It means for the enterprise I need lot of applications. With a single subscription plan, I can get all these applications. Okay, so you can compare these plans also. Office 365, E3, E5, F3 kind of stuff is also same. The cost is also very high. Okay, so I don't understand what is no Teams, but usually we'll get the Teams. Okay, see the apps. Okay, so you are getting Word, Excel, PowerPoint, including Windows subscription. You also Windows as a service subscription you are getting. Uh, 1 second. ఏమవ్వట్లేదు. Sorry guys, small things. Of course, we are almost all completed 5-10 minutes. Okay. If you see these apps, guys, see. So if you take an enterprise, so your organization or maybe you have an organization, the organization employs for their projects, if whatever the application, if they need these type of applications, then we take a these subscriptions. For example, Power BI. So you have a Power BI. I have Power BI. Okay. I'll get a Power BI Pro from this subscription. Okay. So if I am doing some data visualization. My company, the projects are based on a data visualization thing. So they need a Power BI. Instead of purchasing separately, I'll include this one. So they need some Power Apps, Power Automations, forms, bookings, like, appointment bookings kind of stuff. We can do it. Okay. Streaming, Microsoft streaming means this is a Microsoft. Where is it? Where the Microsoft streaming? So no problem. So here it's a stream. So I can share this video to my organization so they can able to uh, get it. So the team's information or recording kind of stuff we can things. We can record, we can stream just like YouTube for your organization. It's not like YouTube is a public domain, but this is for a organization purpose only. Okay, so these are the different applications you are getting for your organization. So only one thing is important. So different people, what based on the requirements, which subscription is required for your personal use, home purpose, for your business, for business, which type of apps you require depends upon that subscription. You can take it. You can use as long as you required, and you can cancel that subscription anytime. That is the point. Okay. And another one is things. Okay. Where it is this is, if you click here, you can see our lot of apps from here. So I need to show, I like to show all the apps I am getting from this Office 365 based on our subscription. See, these are all different applications. Okay. Just remove this one, delete. Okay. So this is about your Office 365, guys. As you asked, the important points in Office 365 is what is Office 365, differences, different editions, what you are getting, and what is the exchange model, what is SharePoint model. That's it. Anything, anybody, any questions? So, what is Office 365? A cloud-based model. Okay. So, try answering the questions. A cloud-based subscription service that consists of apps and services such as a Microsoft Office, Teams, Windows, world-class security, and more. Okay, it's not a virtual machine. It is not a one-time purchase kind of stuff. It is cloud-based subscription. What is hybrid work? So hybrid work is a model that support combination of traditional in-person office and remote and office work. Okay, hybrid work. It means my office is in my office desktop. So I have to come to office every day, right? But if I have to do some Flexibility is required. I have to go work in my home. I have to work in my office. I have to work in while I am traveling. So Office 365 is possible. Okay, that is a hybrid. What is the purpose of Office 365 in era of hybrid and flexible work? It's not limiting employees' choice to empower only information worker to work remotely. It's not like that. People work digital tool for all workers connect, collaborate to product secure in the hybrid work. Okay. What is Microsoft Copilot? It is so many questions on go. Okay. What is a Copilot, guys? Anybody? Any answer? No problem.
Artificial intelligence.
Very good. It is a kind of AI tool. Okay. So like your chat GPT kind of stuff, it is a Copilot. You are going to write a research paper and would like to help with the editing, finding reliable sources, creating bibliography, which app is suitable. So which is we are using to write some stories. It is always Word document only. Okay. You need a way to simplify process of scheduling and managing appointments and want to give your customer flexible to book their own appointments. So what is the tool is we are looking Microsoft Bookings. Okay. So for your organization, so you want to book a kind of stuff. Your organization need give us ability to communicate in email and access their calendar, store contacts, all in one place, which Microsoft product is suitable. Or Outlook. Outlook is a mail client application. Tomorrow we will discuss Outlook also, guys. Now we do not have a time. Okay. So Outlook and the VPN tomorrow we'll discuss. Okay. We'll discuss Outlook. Mm. What is Outlook? It is a mail client service. You can send a mail, receive a mail, you can organize the mails. We can calendaring is also possible in the Outlook only, storing contacts and all. What is the purpose of OneDrive? What is a OneDrive? Is a Microsoft public cloud storage. Sorry, it is a Microsoft cloud storage, personal cloud storage. Like it's not a database, it's not a something material it is. Okay. Now finally, what is the Microsoft Copilot? Again, it is a power tool. LLM language models it is. Okay. Yeah, so we got all the questions without answers. Okay. So this is about Office 365, guys. I think I shared all the link to you, and yeah, questions are here only. So I need to share that questions separately. Otherwise, for you, what I'm going to do is I will download as PDF. Okay, just download it. I have to check it. And already I told, go to the link, check for new subscription and new application kind of stuff. Okay. That's it for today, guys. Okay. So I will share the video, morning links and afternoon links also. Today document means not today document. Okay. Morning also, if you want in the document manner, I will share the morning thing is also in document. That's it. For batch 4, I think Raman sir is going to take your class. Okay, at 5 o'clock.